Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got a painting to share with you today from EasyCraftArt. They allowed me to go and choose a diamond painting, and I saw this one and I knew it had to be the one. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So it is a big one. It has 24 colours. It does come with DMC numbers, and they do use the alphabet for the symbols. It's all using the alphabet. But look at that. How gorgeous an image is that? I think it's beautiful. It's an 80 by 40 canvas size. And the diamond painting area is 35 by 74 and a half, 74 and a half, sorry, 44, 74 and a half. It does have quite a bit of 3865, as you can imagine, but it is quite a light image. And what you'll see is this is probably the biggest section of the white, but as you start getting closer into the rest of the design, it starts mixing in other pale colours as well, which gives you a bit of variety when doing the painting. But I think the impact of that one is just amazing. And then we've got this butterfly and what probably is another butterfly actually, with the little bits off the bottom of the wings and the flowers and buds. You do get 2 toolkits in case you want to share, or maybe you exhaust one toolkit, who knows. And it does come in bags, but look at those colours. I mean, there's 4 bags of white, but look at the gorgeous shades, neutral shades. Very much into neutral at the moment, or at least I am in decor, which is what's made me get this one. But yeah, we've got purples, beige, little bit of yellow, soft pinks, beige, more beigey brown colours, nice green colours, all the neutral colours, but then we do have a pop of yellow to mix in there as well. But yeah, look at that. How good would that look above a bed? In fact, I did fall in love with this image. I am wondering whether I should do this for above our bed. I think I'm going to go and hold it above and check, because as I say, I did fall in love with the image. So this may well be one that I do for putting in our bedroom, because why not? Why not diamond paint for a particular place or room in your home, and for what suits that space? But I think that'd look gorgeous. It's really calming. So yeah, thank you so much to EasyCraftArt for letting me choose a painting that may well be gracing my bedroom with its presence for a while. Thank you to all of you for watching. I will pop a link to this beautiful image down below. But yeah, I'll speak to you all again soon.